Welcome to our virtual open house program information session for the Healthcare Environmental Services Management program here at Centennial College. My name is Karen Barnes, Coordinator and Professor for Healthcare Environmental Services Management program here within the School of Community and Health Studies at the Morningside campus of Centennial College. The goal of this information session is to help you gather information needed to make a decision about the college and the program in which you wish to enroll, to inform you that all the great benefits and recognitions this Healthcare Environmental Services Management, either known as HESM or HESM program, has to offer. There's a long list of benefits why enroll for our unique HESM program at Centennial College. Today, the healthcare environment is dealing with the fight to flatten the curve of this devastating world COVID-19 pandemic. Heightened demands for qualified HESM are needed to lead the healthcare environmental department's responsibilities for pandemic and outbreak planning, amplify isolation cleaning, prevent and control the spread of infectious occurrences, distinguishing risk management, and carrying out emergency protocols proactively. Our program's curriculum, resulting in our graduates' qualification, education, and training, are recognized within the healthcare industries in Canada. Here are more benefits. We are recommended by Public Health Ontario, so other known as PHO, that managers and supervisors in environmental service departments attend as a minimum a recognized course directly related to environmental cleaning in healthcare and obtain certification within a recognized association. So according to the best practices of environmental cleaning and prevention and control of infections in all healthcare settings, that's third edition, April 2018. If you look on page 67, you'll see the link of Centennial College Healthcare Environmental Services Management Program. Also, the Ministry of Health and Long-Term Care in Ontario requires HESM managers to have a degree or a diploma in the related field in order to work in long-term care, and it is also being required in a growing number of hospitals. Let's continue with other program benefits, which include essential curriculum content to reflect the healthcare's industry, safeguard and risk management practices. Centennial College HESM program is the only diploma program of its kind in Canada. HESM faculty have extensive experience and expertise in the field. Our program's curriculum is a combination of theory classes and experiential learning. So what are healthcare environmental services management's role and responsibility? Well, HESM, it's our mission to keep people safe, keeping patients in hospitals, senior residents in long-term care homes and in retirement settings, visitors and family members, and the employees safe by enforcing best practices to prevent and control infectious occurrences. These mandates to comply with our government agencies such as Health Canada, Public Health Ontario, which I mentioned earlier, Ministry of Health and Long-Term Care, and occupational health and safety directives. HESM's role is to oversee healthcare environmental frontline staff to clean and disinfect surfaces appropriately, process and provide clean laundry and linens to care for patients and residents, transport patients to and from medical procedures, supplies, lavatory within the hospital, and maintain the entire building and its properties' integrity. So where are some jobs available? Healthcare environmental services such as housekeeping, laundry linens, transportation, and or maintenance departments in long-term care facilities or homes, hospitals, retirement homes. Also, the learning can be transferable to obtain employment in other sectors such as facilities management, building operations and or property management in commercial buildings, schools, residential buildings, hospitality such as hotels.
So let's talk about the teaching methods for fall 2021. It is uncertain due to the COVID status to communicate how our program courses will be delivered, either face-to-face or online. Fall intake 2021 course offerings have been developed for online learning with virtual classroom delivery. So it is possible to have a combination of both deliveries called hybrid. That's if we are allowed access to our campus. With a combination of online and face-to-face hybrid can also be considered a more flexible delivery while allowing you to participate in our unique program and balance life's other priorities.
So I know you're probably asking, will this type of online delivery work to meet the program's learning outcomes? Well, we had the opportunity to facilitate online learning or learning from a distance with positive outcomes and student positive feedback. There are different methods to connect with your teachers and classmates virtually. Course lessons, assignments, tests, quizzes, discussion boards, grades are all posted in an electronic blackboard called Centennial. You will be notified when virtual classrooms are occurring live, so you can participate and or listen to the recorded sessions at your own time. So as for experiential learning, the lab portion, we had our students participate in activities and experiments that they can perform from home. And for our field placement students, we had them complete projects for our HESM colleagues out in the field. So not only were our students working towards meeting the placement learning outcomes, they contributed and supported our HESM colleagues by lessening their workload and so they could prioritize with pandemic protocols. This method also increased the awareness of our HESM program and our students teaching, as many healthcare organizations are still reaching out to me to distribute HESM job opportunities to our students and or graduates. Even out opportunities including British Columbia Health, stating as you're the only HESM program in Canada. So what is the program's model root courses? Our program is 2 years diploma program with 4 semesters starting in the fall. Please see our webpage for detailed lists of courses by semester, looking at the HESM webpage. There's industry-specific courses such as infection control, occupational health and safety, cleaning and linen methodology, role of the healthcare environmental services manager, healthcare building systems, and maintenance management. There are many college support systems at Centennial College. Centennial College provides services to help you be successful in your studies. Things like library and resource centers. They offer laptop loans. There's peer tutoring for specific program subjects, English tutoring, workshops on learning, counseling and center for students with disabilities, and also you have your very own success advisor. What is the admission process? Apply through OCAS, which is ontariocolleges.ca, and you look up Healthcare Environmental Services Management Program at Centennial College and follow the instructions. If you need further information on admission requirements or skill testing, please see the webpage and or the links provided in this PowerPoint. You may be eligible towards transfer credits and or equivalencies. Centennial College graduates from other programs may be eligible for course equivalencies, such as Nutrition and Food Services Management Program. Course equivalencies are done by program coordinator and or academic advisors. Transfer credits may be accepted from other colleges and or universities offering similar courses and are processed online, so please see the link below. Healthcare Environmental Services employees, you may be eligible for credits towards this HESM college level diploma through what we call a Prior Learning Assessment Recognition, PLAR, for courses such as Cleaning and Linen Methodology, Field Placement 1, and or Healthcare Building Systems and Maintenance Management, depending on the scope of work experience that you've obtained. Please see the link for details and the application process. For additional information on the program other than our webpage, here is a link of a video that our previous students have developed about our program. Enjoy. Here's an article from Toronto Metro News that I was interviewed about our program. If you require additional information, you may contact me. My name is Karen, again, at katebarnes@centennialcollege.ca. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. You may even just send an email to say hi and that you're interested in the program. Have a great day and stay safe.